Can a car really take down a legend? We just witnessed an epic face-off. Bugatti's fastest beast went head-to-head with Koenigsegg's ultimate ride. Everyone's been buzzing. Where was the Jesko Absolut? Today, we're diving into something seriously exciting. On one side, we've got the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. It's rocking a crazy quad-turbo W16 engine that cranks out a jaw-dropping 1,600 horsepower. Talk about power. With all-wheel drive, it's built for insane stability, even when you're flying at extreme speeds. The Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut is incredible. A twin-turbo V8, 1,600 horsepower on E85 fuel, rear-wheel drive only, lighter, sharper, and engineered to break records. Same power figures, completely different philosophies.
3, 2, 1.
Come on, Bugatti! Oh! Come on! Is he coming? No chance.
No chance.
No chance.
The race begins with a rolling start. Tires warm up, tension builds. The Jesko struggles for traction, while the Bugatti uses its all-wheel drive system to put the power down cleanly and efficiently. The launch Bugatti pulls ahead. The gap is small, but it's enough. Second try, new setup, and total focus. Both cars are racing side by side, and it's a total nail-biter at the finish line.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Come on, we've got a race on! Oh, he's coming! He's coming now though, Goran! He's coming! Come on! Come on, he failed!
Back it out a bit there.
That is a proper photo finish. I've got a horrible feeling though, you might have just had us on the line.
We definitely won, and
The Bugatti launches like a missile, covering the quarter mile in 9.6 seconds. The Jesko fights back, but stops the clock at 9.9 seconds. Another win for Bugatti. But wait, the story isn't done yet. Get ready for the final challenge, the half-mile race. It's going to be intense.
Come on. Whoa, it's everywhere. Come on now! Have we got enough of a lead? Come on! Come on! We've got him over the quarter mile. He's coming though. Come on, Bugatti! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Oh! Yes!
The launch, the speed keeps climbing, the distance stretches. Now the Jesko begins to close the gap. Closer, closer. And this time, the comeback is complete. The Jesko Absolut wins with a time of 14.6 seconds, beating Bugatti's 14.8.
Okay, let's do a brake test from 100 miles an hour or 160 kilometers an hour. I think they hit a bit sooner. Wow.
What's the takeaway? A quarter mile? Bugatti? Half mile? Koenigsegg all-wheel drive keeps it steady, while a lightweight design crushes it at high speeds. This race didn't just answer one question, it opened up a whole bunch. We're totally in the golden age of hypercars.